as you are from CBSE, whether NCERT books helped you, reading NCERTs are really worth reading.
Definitely, sir. They are, I think, a very rich source of information which is available. Considering me that in our school we had a tradition of reading the textbooks. We were made to read the textbook, especially when we reached high school, 7th, 8th onwards. So I was kind of into the habit of reading textbooks. It was not new to me, and I enjoyed reading them, sir. Honestly, especially social science. Somewhere it gives you a scope of imagining the creativity you get, the things of the kick of understanding the things on your own side. You are not forced to understand it through someone's perspective. You can understand things on your own. So definitely, sir, NCRTs I think builds a kind of foundation where you can kind of understand the information from your own perspective rather than seeing it through the lens of others. So it is important, sir.
NCERTs are important.